Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y. And today let's talk about why smart investing and paying attention to your taxes really matter. Especially if you want to keep and grow the money you work so hard for. Investing isn't just for the wealthy or the financial pros. It's a way to make your money work for you, grow over time, and build a safety net beyond just saving. Ignoring investment opportunities means missing out on building real wealth and securing your future. Now taxes, yeah, they're complicated and nobody likes to think about them. But being proactive with your taxes can save you serious cash. Understanding deductions, credits, and timing your income or expenses can lower your tax bill. And that's money you get to keep, not give away. Being aware of how taxes impact your investments, like capital gains tax, helps you make smarter moves and avoid costly surprises. So why does it all matter? Because without investing, your money just sits there losing value to inflation. And without managing your taxes, you're handing away hard-earned dollars unnecessarily. Taking control of both investing and taxation means more growth, less waste, and real freedom to live life on your own terms. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and tap the bell. And check my bio for more smart finance tips you can use right now. Let's keep building a stronger financial future together, one step at a time.